Hello and welcome to Maddie and Masala. Today's recipe is not only delicious and rich, but also surprisingly easy to make. It consists of 3 layers, namely cake, chocolate, and cream. You know those instructions in the back of the packet? Yeah, don't follow those this time. Instead, take 4 cups of warm milk and pour in the contents of the chocolate pudding mix into it. Remember, we want the same taste of pudding or custard, but not the same consistency as it. We want a thinner consistency. For the cream layer, we're gonna whip up some cream. You already know the drill. Whip it until it forms stiff peaks. For better results, make sure to use cream that's already chilled, and also place a bowl of ice cubes under the bowl of cream that you're gonna be whipping for better and faster results, especially if you live in hot areas. Now we assemble. First comes the layer of cake. This is store-bought pound cake. Then comes the layer of chocolate pudding. I whisked the pudding after taking it out of the refrigerator to make sure it wasn't thick and lumpy. And then comes the layer of whipped cream. Repeat the layers as many times as you want. Make a large bowl for a dinner party. make individual servings for a movie night. This dessert is just perfect. Make sure to chill it for 4 to 5 hours before serving. And for the crunch, we obviously use our walnut praline. For better results, make the layers of whipped cream thinner and the layers of pudding thicker, and let the dessert sit and cool for 4 to 5 hours after assembling and before serving so that the cake has time to soak in the flavor. So this is it for today's recipe. How unbelievably easy was this to put together, right? If you like this video, you know what to do. Leave a like, a comment, share it with others, and definitely try this recipe out. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to do it. See you real soon with a new recipe.